By the light of the silvery moon, I sit and croon. By the silvery moon. Right. Get up to bird's eye. I know that it's gonna be you go to get your luxury. I'll love you night and day. I better do it then. Love, and I fade away. My baby gets to be. Are we having music?
No, it's going to be music-less.
Oh.
How are we doing, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to another fun episode. And today we're going to be making for you my very special guest's favourite cocktail. Plus, he's going to show you where I learn all my Flair moves from. And he's basically going to show you how it's done. Right, now stand over there.
All right.
I'm just going to introduce... Please welcome my dad.
I'm coming around now.
Ta-da! Back by popular demand for the first episode ever with my father.
I'll be back by popular demand. I've never been here before.
Well, people online wanted to see you.
If I look at that camera, is that where it's coming from?
That's where it's coming from there.
Evening all.
Okay, so.
Right. I'm going to make a Long Island iced tea to my measurements.
Okay, good.
To my specification.
There you go. So I'm not actually going to make my cocktail during this. I'm just going to help him along on making sure you get it right, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
And apparently you're going to show us some moves as well.
Oh, watch this.
So, all right. What are you going to need to start with?
I want a glass
Yeah.
with ice.
So,
And I want a serviette.
so there you go. There's your glass.
So I've got all this ready.
That's it.
I'll put it on this side because that mat moves.
They both move.
Have you got tongs for this?
Yeah, hanging on the side of the bucket.
Oh, yeah, look. Now, I just put a little bit of ice in here. I'll put that to one side so that it don't melt too quickly. Now I take up, look at that. And I start. Now I'm using
Vodka.
one of these Tom Dyer special chickers,
This is called the Grail, Dad.
which is called the Holy Grail of Grails. And I'm going to start. Usually I have the tops taken off for me.
Have you got
Jigger.
a move that you can do with the Grail jigger?
Yeah, look. How's that?
That's perfect.
Stand back, because you're crowding the thing.
Sorry.
I just put a half measure of vodka,
That's
Smirnoff
it.
this
Perfect.
is.
Yeah,
And I just put a drop of the old
that's rum. You just stay there.
rum. And a nice drop of Cointreau. I generally put two of them in, but most I'm on my own. A nice drop of Virulin.
It's gin for those who don't
For
speak
those that
Cockney.
don't know what Virulin is gin. And this is tequila. Snake's poison.
That's it.
Now I need to put a drop of sugar syrup, which was made earlier. It's a bit like Blue Peter, this, isn't it? I made this one earlier.
I'll take care of that.
Take care of that, son.
So you need up to the second line is probably going to be suitable.
You
can see that.
over here, up to the second line. I generally have a funnel for this. How's that?
That's perfect. Yeah.
That's perfect. Can you see that? Look, lovely. Now we're going to squeeze in with our special squeezers. These are Tom Dyer squeezers as well.
They're not, but we
This
can
is
just
a
pretend they're
This is a pre-cut lemon.
other way up.
Other way up. Oh,
And you want to squeeze it hard and fast.
why is that?
Because you get more juice from the lemon then and less oils from the skin. That's it. Go on, squeeze it. Perfect. Give me
Now
the
what?
Give me the no. Give me the lemon. And now you need to do another one.
Two.
Yeah, you need the whole lemon juice. Oh
This
shit!
is the juice of the juice. Do you hear that?
Of a
whistle?
whole lemon.
Of a whole lemon. So I won't knock it.
I'm just making sure because it's just safety first and all that. Now all the ingredients are in there. Now I made one of these on the video a couple of weeks ago, but I did it without the tequila. So today we're doing it with the tequila.
With the tequila, there's proper one.
So we've got exactly extra strength. Now you've got to put lots of ice in there and shake it up.
So you better tell me how many ices.
Just keep going. Just throw that in there. Next one.
More.
Yeah, keep going.
Like an iceberg.
That'll do.
Like an iceberg in here. Then we place the top on.
Yeah.
Carefully. Then we place the other top on.
Hold it together and shake it strong.
And we've got to hold this together.
Up and down. That's it.
Make my eyes jump.
Up and down. Up and down. Vigorously.
Shut up, you top.
Do you want a hand?
No, you can't put 3 hands on it. How's that?
Looks good.
You've got to touch it, haven't you?
All right, so now you've got to strain that into there. So you take the silver bit off.
So I just pour this straight on.
Straight on top. No messing.
No messing. Nice, all over the ice. Nice over ice.
That's it. Let me try it.
Oh, look at that.
Tastes nice. You got it, I think.
Waste not, want not.
All right, now you got to put some Coca-Cola on top.
I won't toss the Coke.
That's probably not a good idea, no.
What are you putting all that ice in for?
Because you need to put ice in. So, but pour it gently because you want
I
it.
will.
Or, actually, better, put the straw in first. So grab yourself a green straw. Do you want to put a stirrer stick in there as well?
I'll have one of it. No, I don't want to stick.
Do you want an umbrella?
No.
Okay, so gently pour the Coca-Cola on top.
Over the ice.
Over the ice, so you get a nice layered effect. Like that, look at that.
Can you see that going down the side of the glass?
Yeah, got it on.
It's like coffee.
You finish it off.
A lemon.
With a lemon. Now you can throw it up and try and catch it in the drink.
Have
or
you
just
used this before?
No, do you want another one?
I'm going to throw it up and catch it in there. It's bound to go on the floor then, isn't it? Right, I just slipped the lemon in just for the garnish.
That's it.
Now, I can't do anything with that until I take a sip.
How does it taste?
Oh, it's superb.
Superb.
Oh, that is the dog's doo-doos.
Can I have a go?
That is wonderful. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make
I've got a hole in my straw.
Long Island iced tea with lemon.
That's it. You said it all for me. The drink tastes delicious. That was my dad making a Long Island iced tea. I hope you enjoyed this video.
I know it's hard to tell the difference between Nurtum and Were, but I'm the father.
But don't forget to like the video if you like it and hit subscribe.
Yes.
Do all that lovely stuff. And
all donations greatly received.
all donations. And that's it. Anything else you want to tell the people at home?
We're doing this only to fight the coronavirus.
That's it. It's all for educational purposes only.
Yeah, so.
All right, perfect. Well, Dad, thanks very much for that. That was perfect.
Is that it?
That's it. It's finished.
Where do I get paid? There's my hair straight. Did eyeshadow. Oh, Jesus. I've got to give it some of that.
All right.
I'm not using one of your fancy jiggers.
You can use that if you want.
Well, it's there to be used.
Let's switch
Because I'll do a bit of advertising. This is one of Top Dyer's fancy jiggers. Glass bottle glass.